Today, we are examining the second generation of the Toyota Raum. A successful, smart, tall wagon that is designed for family use, also perfectly suited to use as a taxi. Let's discover all the unique features that make this car stand out from the competition. Design and unique features. The model you're looking at was produced between 2003 and 2011. This particular car was produced in 2007 and is the facelifted model, which differs slightly in terms of headlight and taillight design. There are 4 equipment levels available. Starting with the basic Raum, then the C package adds tinted windows and auto-folding mirrors. Next is the G package presented here. It adds smart door locks, front seat armrests, and infrared sensor-activated automatic air conditioning. Finally, there is the S package, which adds aero parts and alloy wheels. Raum has been designed primarily as an everyday commuter car, which also provides an enjoyable experience on weekend journeys. With an overall length of 4 meters, it is perfect for city traffic. The wheelbase of 250 centimeters is not particularly long, yet the interior design makes use of every available centimeter between the wheel arches. The body height is 153 centimeters, something that makes the onboard experience far better than in a hatchback or sedan. From the outside, the Raum isn't especially outstanding. There is nothing eye-catching. At first glance, it seems rather dull, although in reality, everything is tailored in favor of practicality. Take the glazing, for example. The windows are quite large, especially the side ones. You can tell that the focus is on ergonomics. Notice the lower line of windows, which extends downward to create better visibility, an aspect that is often overlooked in contemporary cars, which are pretty but not necessarily practical. Here in Raum, you can enjoy plenty of space and an airy, well-lit interior with great visibility in almost every direction. What are the next features that you won't notice from outside yet make a huge difference in everyday use? Yes, the rear doors slide open, but that's not all. On the passenger side, you have a pillarless design that offers an opening width of up to 150 centimeters. This feature is also found in the larger 7-person Toyota Isis, which we covered in a review. The link to the video is below. What's more, the front doors have been designed to tilt 4 degrees when they open, creating a wider opening in order to avoid hitting your head against the top of the door frame. You'd probably notice the unusual position of the door handle on the tailgate. Yes, the door opens sideways, meaning it can be used more conveniently in tight spaces. In fact, even if you can only open a tiny gap, it is possible to access the cargo space, which is far more functional than a regular lifting tailgate in the same tight space. Ride quality and safety features. What's the ride like? There's nothing in particular. In terms of comfort, you can expect similar characteristics to the VITZ, as the Raum shares most of its chassis components. Overall, it's an easy-to-drive car with a calm nature, neither thrilling nor sporty. Good enough for an average user. All trims except the S come with 14-inch steel wheels, while the S is fitted with 15-inch alloys. Raum is fairly nimble in city traffic, achieving a turning radius of 4.9 meters for both front-wheel and 4WD models. In terms of brakes, there are discs at the front and drums at the rear, complete with ABS and EBD for reliable and safe stop. All trims come with 2 front airbags as part of the standard equipment and vehicle stability control. Interior and luggage capacity. So, how's the interior space? It certainly feels airy thanks to the tall roofline. Quality-wise, the materials and finishes don't feel cheap. Overall design is calm, simple, and focuses on functionality. There is plenty of practical storage across the car. You will find multiple drink holders, pockets, and shelves, not to mention the foldable table made from the passenger seat. The driver's position is correct, with the steering wheel tilt mechanism for better ergonomic fit to various drivers. Notice the rather uncommon design of dashboard with centered instrument cluster. It is set close to the line of sight but still away from hindering the forward view. Designed in a manner to be easily readable with peripheral vision without the need to take your eyes off the road. The gear lever is also located in a very convenient spot. Yes, you will master it very quickly. Below the gauges, depending on the trim, you will find a CD player and radio or an infotainment system. AC is not just regular automatic. There is an infrared thermometer pointed towards the driver to optimize comfort by measuring body temperature and adjusting conditions for optimal comfort. What is it like in the back seat? First of all, getting in and out is easy thanks to the power-assisted sliding doors. The low threshold, wide opening, and tall roofline make for an enjoyable experience. On the passenger side, it's even better with a wide pillarless 150-centimeter opening and an integrated grab handle in the seat backrest. Notice the flat floor. That means 3 people will feel comfortable here with plenty of space for their feet. Lastly, let's check the luggage space. Starting with the door opening, which is unusual for a car of this body type. There is plenty of space for everyday shopping and even weekend trips. If you need to transport larger items, the rear seats can be easily folded down. Similar Toyota Raum you can buy at BEFORWARD. The 2003 to 2011 model starts from around $2,000 USD. Explore vast stock Toyota Raum vehicles at BEFORWARD.JP. The right one might be closer than you think. Check the link in the description below for current stock and pricing. Our inventory is updated daily. Toyota's Raum is available with just one type of petrol engine. It is the 1NZ FE, widely used across various Toyota cars. In the Raum, this 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine develops 109 PS. It is paired with a 4-speed Super ECT automatic transmission. You can choose front-wheels drive models or alternatively 4WD ones. In terms of power, the engine feels sufficient for city driving, but it may lack a little at high speeds on the highways. Fuel consumption varies greatly depending on driving scenarios and driver habits. According to the manufacturer, the average fuel consumption is roughly 6.2 liters per 100 kilometers. The 4-wheel drive model will use around 10 to 15% more. The fuel tank holds 45 liters. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.